All right, let's welcome a special guest who is here to talk sports investments, the markets, and much more. Avenue Capital's chairman and CEO, Marc Lasry. And Marc, we have so much to talk about with you this morning, but I thought we'd start with sports just because you are somebody who looks at sports a little differently than most big investors do. A lot of times people get into it because they're fanboys. They buy a team they love. They hold on to it for forever through thick and thin. And you're a little different. You're not so sentimentally involved. You bought the Bucks, sold it at an incredible profit, got into pickleball, sold out of that at a big profit too. You look at sports as an actual business, and you think people don't understand it. What do you see that others maybe miss?
Look, I think part of it, what people miss is all sports ultimately is how many people are watching it, right? So simple question, like if you think of hockey, 500,000 people watch it. Baseball, 1 million. Basketball is 1.5 million. All right, bull riding. How many people do you think watch that?
200 million?
No.
200,000.
200,000, I hope.
Oh, 200,000, yeah. Exactly.
It's 1.2 million.
1.2 million, okay,
it's
so
more
it's a
than
much
baseball.
bigger audience.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow, that shocks me.
I know. Sailing, which 3 years ago didn't exist. There's a sailing league. Today, you've got 1.8 million. You got more people watching sailing than you did basketball. So to me, part of it is you've got all these sports that people are watching, so you want to sort of get into it and invest in those before they become, I would say, sort of in the national conscience.
So you think baseball's overvalued for the number of people watching, or do you think bull riding's massively undervalued?
I think it's just undervalued. Yeah. I think what we're trying to do is find sports that are undervalued and invest in those so that 5 years from now, as they get their new media deals, that's when you'll capture the upside.
And you've been able to do that by doing what? What are the actions? I know you're involved in women's sports right now. You're buying a lot of women's soccer teams or making bids for them. Where do you see as the most undervalued places that have the most upside potential?
I think it's women's sports. It really is. And the simple reason for that is just as people, like, I don't know, do you have little girls?
Yeah, I do.
Right. So if I would say for Joe and I, our parents, I have sisters, my dad never brought my sisters and I to a game. It was just my dad and I.
Right.
The idea that you're not...
My daughter, yes.
Like, it's inconceivable to you that you would not bring your daughter. And that's what you're having. You're having this change as more and more people are bringing their daughters, and more girls want to watch other women play sports. So you're seeing women's soccer, you're seeing women's volleyball, women's basketball. Those are just growing in popularity.
Do you think that women's sports will only succeed, though, if more women are watching those sports? So it's a generational issue? Or do you think you're going to ultimately, for it to work, you need men to be watching these sports in significant numbers? I ask because I think if you look at football, it's actually like 60-40 or maybe 70-30 in terms of men to women. But there's still a significant...
Yep. You need to have men watching it. And I think this generation, if you went when the New York Liberty ended up winning the WNBA title, if you went to that, you would have been shocked how many men were there. Yeah. And that's what you're seeing. You need to have men and women watching, but I would say today's generation doesn't care, right? The younger you are, you're going to go to a women's game, you're going to go to a men's game. Right.
You know, one of the reasons I really wanted to talk to you, Marc, was what we're watching in college sports right now. The name, image, and likeness money has changed the game entirely. We're talking about things that it's hard to say that these are still going to be student athletes. Focus on the athlete part, not so much on the student part. Yep. And I think you see an opportunity here, and I'm trying to figure out what I think of that opportunity. You've said that you'd be looking at some of these college teams, that the colleges are going to sell them, or at least majority stakes in them. That is hard enough for me to get my head around. How does it work? Why does it work? And how is it going to change things?
They don't have a choice. You know, and the simple reason they don't is kids are getting paid. So whereas for me growing up, the dream was to go play at Duke or go play at Kentucky or UCLA. Today, if you're a kid, if you're getting paid money from University of Louisville, and that's more that you're getting from Duke, you're going to go there. And so the cost of that is going up. And the problem for universities is you need that money to attract those students. And the only way you're going to get that money is either alumni are going to give you more. But the problem with that is it's no longer a tax deduction. So if you, I don't know where you went, but if you...
Rutgers.
Okay, so for Rutgers to get people to go, you've got to donate. But if you donate to the university, it's 100% tax deduction. If you donate to the athletic department, it's not. So therefore, you're going to find it's going to get more and more expensive. And what you're going to end up doing is selling these businesses, not 100%, but you'll sell 50% of that so that you can keep attracting students. And as you attract students, it's great for the institution.
But if you see an opportunity there, it's because you think more can be done, more profit can be generated from this. Isn't the university giving up on that profit if they're selling out on it early at a lower amount?
100%. No, universities understand that. But universities need the capital because through the capital, more people are going to come to the games. And as more people come to the games, more people go to the university. So they understand that, and it's either alumni are going to give you that money, or it's going to be people like us.
But you think it's an important flywheel, that they don't have more students who are attracted to the university if they don't build these big programs?
They don't have a choice. And it's sad because I think college sports is getting dominated by, Ohio, Michigan, all of those. And you're going to have, like for Rutgers, it's going to be hard.
Yeah.
So Rutgers needs to attract more students who are going to come. And the way they're going to do that is those students are going to get paid.
And the opportunity for you and the places that you're doing this, can you talk about any of the places that you're actually working on a bid right now?
Yeah, I mean, we're talking to a number of universities. And for us, if you say a university is making $100 million from that, we'll buy half of it, and we'll end up paying like around 12 times. So a university is going to get about $600 million. And that helps them over the next 5 years to 10 years to compete and to build and grow.